Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title of the video, today we are doing a review on the Flash Power Mop that I actually bought in a previous haul. I can leave the link above if you haven't seen that. So if you like this type of video at any time, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. So let's get into this review. So obviously if you've seen my previous video, you would have seen that I picked up a Flash Power Mop. I've been holding off opening this for about 2 weeks actually, so I could get around to filming this video. So it's got a nice little bit of perforation here, so we're going to unbox this together and we're going to try it out as well. So this is new for me as well, so I'm really excited. So let's get this unboxed and we can have a look what we get inside. So I'm just going to pull off the perforation there. Don't you just love opening stuff? I do. So inside, I'll just take that off. We have the base of the Power Mop, which is here. We've obviously got a pack of solution inside already. I think there's a bit of cardboard in there that I need to whip out. So that's what you get, the base with the handle in a sec when I get that out. The solution that you get there, which you can buy, and I have seen it in Home Bargains, I think is where I saw it. So you get 4 Duracell batteries as well to power this, because this is obviously a power mop, which is what it says on the tin. You get a pack of wipes here and the quick start guide as well, and then also the handle. So let's put this together. I better read the instructions first and then we'll put this together. Right, so first things I need to do is line up the little dot, think it'll be that way, and push that in place. And you hear it click, which is what I just heard. So that should keep it all nice and steady. I'm going to take that bit of cardboard out as well. Right, so first thing I need to do as well is to put in the batteries, which I believe go in the front here. This section here, so you just scoop that out and you can see that the batteries sort of sit in this bit of plastic. So I'm going to pop those in now, so I'll be back in a second. Right, so I've done that now and we're going to pop this back in. That kind of goes in this sort of area here. And that should just pop back in like that. It's very easy. You can easily, it's got a little battery image on the top there. Not sure whether you can see that, but it's quite easy to get in and out. So that's back in now. Right, so looking at the other end, this is quite sort of like a Velcro-y sticky thing, and every time it gets caught to my jumper, it's getting stuck. So this is obviously holds the pad down. So we're going to get a fresh pad. Right, so it says attach the pad with the printed side, which is this side, down. So that should attach nicely to the mop head and make sure it sticks. There we go. It is quite good. It does stick quite well actually. So now we're going to insert the bottle of floor cleaner, which is this bottle here. So you mustn't puncture this at all. Apparently you just pop it in and it should just do it itself. So I need to just pop this in place, line up the arrows on the flat side of the bottle. Right, so we insert it like this side towards the pole. It should click in place, so let's hope it... Yes, it clicked in place, which is really good. So yeah, thumbs up there. Right, so I believe you can press the power button, which is at the top, to make it spray, and away we go. So right, let's go and try this out. So I'm going to take you downstairs to our hallway floor and we're going to give it a bit of a clean and a bit of a test. So come along with me. So we're just going to spray the floor here. As you can see, it puts some out onto the floor. It's not spraying too much. You can obviously control how much goes down, to be honest. It's making it very shiny and it smells very nice as well. I'm not sure how long the spray bottle will last. Because they are about £4 or £5 for a bottle. Right, I've just done this one little area. So we'll just see how good this pad is. And the pad isn't that dirty at all. So it's actually, obviously that's because my floor is clean. Right, just to review then the Flash Power Mop, just to let you know, it was $19.99 in Home Bargains. Yeah, and I got it in a previous video. I don't know, I think when you look online they are £30, but obviously Home Bargains the other week were doing a deal, so if you're interested, get yourself over there. I'm not sure if they're still selling them. They were going quite quickly, but this is the powered one with the batteries. They do like a slightly cheaper brand which isn't powered, and I think that was $9.99. Again, that was just Home Bargain prices. Yeah, so actually thinking about how it actually performed, I actually really liked it. It didn't oversaturate the floor, which was really good. You can control how much solution goes down, which again was brilliant, and the pad obviously wipes up any sort of real big excess and does spread it about quite nicely. The only downside, I suppose, is the cost of the pads. Again, I'm not sure how much they'll be. I will put on the screen if I can find any that are the cheapest. And obviously the solution as well. Yeah, so I really love the product. I'm really looking forward to using it. It's ideal for like our wooden and laminate floors, especially because obviously they're not meant to be oversaturated with a mop and bucket sort of watery, a heavily watered solution. So really handy for those sort of places. It's nice and quick as well, because you don't have to then run the water, put your stuff in, get the water ready, blah blah blah. I know it's all cold and everything and the solution isn't warmed up, but it's still going to do a really good job. So yeah, I actually give it 9 out of 10 for performance. I actually really like it. I'm going to look forward to using it in my clean with me's. If you're interested, go check it out in Home Bargains, or I'll also leave a couple of links below of where you can get it online if you're struggling to find it. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want